In this video, I'm gonna be playing Corridor of Hell. Welcome to Dabmc. If you're new to this channel, I post regular videos on Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. So we're playing this game called Corridor of Hell, and apparently they had a new update, but I only showing you guys now. So yeah. To be honest with you, this is actually easier than Tower of Hell. Comment down below if you guys play Tower of Hell. It's a really hard, yeah. As soon as I say it's an easy game, it just becomes harder. 5,000 wins. Okay, that's a hacker. Hacker alert. Hacker alert. Hacker alert. Let's see what they have to offer in the shop section. So let's see here. So let's say game passes, fusion coil, okay, black and white pack, double money, double XP, speed coil, gravity coil, rainbow pack, VIP. Or let's see tags. So rainbow, casual, apprentice, 5 wins, beginner 1 win, angel of corridor, pro 25 wins, loyal, master 50 wins, specialist 15 wins, tilted, okay, king of corridor, insane, okay, cool, VIP, YouTuber, and I have premium. But what's YouTuber? But unequip? Unequip? No. I guess I have to become a YouTuber. Who knows when will that happen? I DK. I am currently because I'm recording YouTube videos. So yeah. How do you do this? Oh my god, I hate these ones. They just get on my nerves so much. I hate them. I'm not a parkour master. As you can see, if I'm bad at parkour in Minecraft, I'm gonna be worse in Roblox. Tower of Hell was really hard, and if you play on mobile or iPad, tablet, whatever you call it, and I just died, and I was literally the highest person. Great. What a great start to the game. I love it. Don't you guys love it? I don't think so, honestly. Anyway, let's continue. Easy, boy, easy. Probably it's just gonna be like, as soon as I say easy, it's gonna be easy, hard. Honestly, this jump is the hardest. You know what? It's not really, because you can glitch. So, glitch tactics, guys. Don't even do this. A glitch. Okay, that guy's higher than me. I guarantee you, if he makes it further, he's definitely... Oh my god. I almost fell. Okay, I made it here. Comment down below what parkour games you play, because I honestly don't know. And what I do know is I died. And so did that guy. But there's one guy. So many guys I'm going to say. What? I'm just going to say, hi, I am Wreck. Hi, I am Wreck. And he's like, sup. I guess nobody cares, I'm Wreck. Hi, even let me hit me Levy. Hyper. Hi, even hit me Levy. What? Who's Levy? Oh my god. 4123 hashtags. That's it. There's only hashtags everywhere. Hashtag. Yo, there should be a song called Hashtag. That'd be cool. And he's like, Curtis. ... question mark? I'm like, so He's or she's like dot dot question mark. Okay, that bacon hair is OP. No, it can't be. It can't be. And that guy's just laughing. IDC. I'm gonna be like IDC. You guys don't know what IDC means. It's basically a short form for I don't care. I'm gonna be like question mark. Hyper do hi hyper. Bro, this guy is really good at obbies. This bacon head, dude. See, that's why you never judge bacon heads, because sometimes they can do miracles. You never know. Sometimes they're bad, but most of the times they're great people. So type in hashtag justice for bacons in the comment section below. Hashtag justice for bacons. Oh my god, look at all these capital W's that I make. So, yeah, that's one problem. I always make some kind of mistake like that. Yo, have shift lock on, dude. Okay, that guy just died. So it's either that guy or that guy. Oh wait, that hyper dude is actually so good at the game. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Look at my face. Oh my god, I'm upside down. And I'm just like question mark in the chat. Who cares about the chat? I honestly don't, because like, what am I gonna get? Okay, I just died. It's the first time I'm struggling on that bit. Great. Isn't that awesome? I struggle on something. That's great, isn't it? Shift lock time. Oh, wait. I literally just flew off. How did that happen? Do I have to? Okay, you know what? Yo, hey, Bevan. What's up, my dude? Okay, you just left game. I can't believe it. Wow, people are just rage quitting the game. Okay. Honestly, this game is hard. What's achievements? This is my stats right now. 0 wins, time played 0 hours, deaths 81. Yes, that's true. Best time 10 seconds. That's not bad. Is that 10 seconds or what? I don't know. I think that probably is 1 second. Maybe even 0 seconds. But I don't know. All I do know is that my achievements are very bad and I'm only level 7. That's great. White and black neon. What is that? 400. Okay, you know what? Oh, that must be in the black and white. Oh my god, what is this? Oh no, you gotta be kidding me. You know what? This actually, okay, you know what? He's like, yes! 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 Yes, you're saying yes. Yes, I do. Okay. Did I say okay? No, you didn't. Yeah, you didn't. Hyper. Liar. What am I gonna buy? Yeah, let's go. Okay, I just died. What do you mean? What? I was at... Lol. Guys, her username is How does that make sense? Someone please explain. Bro, how'd you die just there? Does that even make any sense, bruh? Bruh. Doesn't even make... Okay, I've done this before. Hey. Oh, no! No. Where's the capital? Okay, no, it's not. No! I was at the 3rd stage and I died, right? R.I.P. because it was too hard. Is it actually hard? Yeah, I think it's hard. No! This is actually hard. I can't believe it. I'm gonna be like, what? What? Short form of what? Guys, if you don't like writing, he's typing. Here it is. Short. Wow, is he seriously using You know what? I feel like having shift lock is harder. It's hard. Oh my god, I almost just died right there. Yeah, that's the part that's really hard. I hate timing things. Things when you have to time, it's really hard for me. It's just really wait. Oh my god, why can't you just do this? Ha ha. That's easy. Wait. How do you do this? Ha, oh, okay. I see. Ha ha ha. Oh my god. Ha. There we go. Ha 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 ha. No, I'm literally halfway through the obby and I die. Why? Ha. Eh. No. Look at my hands. I'm like, yeet. What's this hyper dude guy? Wait, is G's here? No, I'm gonna be like, no. No. Eh. It's actually a there you go. Hey, Curtis. Oh, this is the OP guy. I guess I just spam chatted. Honestly, I don't know. Hyper dude, dude, this hyper dude guy is. Okay, you know what? He's not a. Ha. X D. Ha. Look at that guy's face on the top bar at the stage where I was. Yeah, her face is like so cringe. Cringe face. How are people so fun in the obby? Yeah. Okay. What does that mean? All M's. Okay, I move and I die. Who are you? I am wreck. That's who I am. I'm a wreck. Does he know what wreck even means? I feel like he doesn't. Ooh. I am recording a video. There we go. I am recording a video. Oh. He's like, oh, okay. How'd you finish the cotton? Okay. Winner, ha. Dude, why is this part so hard? I hate the third stage. It's just hard, alright. First and second stage are is. But this guy, dude. People in the server are so OP at obbies. It makes me look like a noob. Honestly, it does. What? Oh my god, I almost died. Ha! Hey. No one have to worry. I know this one. You basically just do this. Oh my god. Ha! Ha! What? Ah! No. What? Question mark? What does that mean? What does that mean, hyper guy? Hashtag. YouTube. Yes, I am wreck. Yes, I am wreck. I am recording. What do you have to say to that? Dabmc. It will be uploaded today or Tomato. How do I spell tomorrow? T-O-M-M. Tomorrow. How do you spell tomorrow? Tomorrow. Today. Tomorrow. I see. I spell E. How do you spell tomorrow? Tomorrow. Ah. Today or tomorrow. In Australia time. In Australia time. Ah, okay. You play Scratch games? Yes. Coding web. The coding website? Are you even? How do you make this, Steve? Okay. You know I'm not going to doubt it. What? What? Ha 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 ha! You're stuck there. XD. Huh? Same as us, kinda. What do you mean? Hey. This is so easy. Like, come on. Ez. Oh, I know this one. Ez. Huh? What is this? I have 5 steps. I have 30. I have 30. What does that mean, Steve Brian? Wow, I'm literally the only person that's this far. I'm so proud of myself right now. I know! That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys!